Daniel Y a second dog slow daw is for do, daw, doy, Daniel am Watts. Daw, Daniel am Watts. Daniel are converted Muslimers to scare to say asa for roller and blow up fools.
What is elbow palsy? So is it an orange object relate to Davy? Maybe it's Simey.
Davy, your game is have normal sleep schedule and eat dinner at normal time, or you will die. Evil laughing.
Davy. Riddle me this. What can squirt, but rages thrice a day? Daniel Sutton.
Daniel, congratulations on getting driver's license, however, do not gloat too much in this victory.
I wonder, is it teacher? What could Point Hawk mean, I wonder? Is it troll?
Craig Davey is president. Nominate Higgins Flyer as #1 dancer and March as #1 alcohol.
Hello, Daniel. I know where you live. 27. Donda Street. I'll feed you to Gee-Man.
Hello, Jusby. We know you have become teacher, but do not think about having children yet not ready to be assistant teacher yet, and you are not ready to be principal of multiple schools.
Hilo, Daniel, you will get license and live a life of freedom and joy. JK, you die.
Riddle me this, it is not by the water, but amongst a tree.
H.A.
Is a teacher.
Hello? Sammy, you should play X Defiant. The zoo map is great. Hold, meet, tight X.
Hello, little Kieran. Please no cry to Christmas song or else. No Christmas, my mischievous, sleepy lizard.
Hello, is your new president. March, you must pay the toilet seat bill, and you will be awarded best alcohol also. Heath Whitehill, his shit.
Nika, Daniel, why you go buy fucking Care Bear 1Z, you fucking bad clocker? Darius, Nina, go to Nina New, sleep. Daniel, you fucking idiot. No more ghost game or I will fucking murder you.
Hello, Daniel. I will now trap you in Mirror Portal Universe. And if escape, Jesse and Chewie will. Spit roast, learn finger. Dan.
Hi, Daniel Sutton. I will make you. Fuck Tarkish. Condale Dingle. Till you are sore.
Watch you filthy ape, go clean yourself up after Boss Nass is done. Jesus Christ, my nigga. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Happy birthday, Daniel. I will read Pour On to you. Davy, now it's your turn to clock whereabouts of Olivia. Davy, on the wall who clocks the most? Of them all.
Hello, I am stupid old ethnic man. Most Paul bags up now. Because no rage, Sam will take the fucking shockmate. Kieran, take the Red Bull now, and Davy, why you not clacking it? Clacking up, bean!
I am eating my normal diet of minced slices and rice with sauce. Anakin, my darling kitty, no more climb on Legos and go get more gorgeous.
Heath Whitehill, please help Giuseppe. You're the teacher, and he needs help with French girl now.
Hello, Samuel, as president. You cannot deafen and play single player. Daniel, no single player. To my boy, H.M. and Dan.
March, you fucking fool. Shut the fuck up. And is the Coke good as it's strong? Kathy. On the wall. Who is the Tommy of them? All is it? Universe and beyond.
Oh, my Davy. For the Christmas you will open a brand new copy of D. Blob. It is the hot new game that everyone has. Hello, Mrs. Claus. You can have present. Later.
Heath, Samuel, and Mach. Why you no want to play with new cricket bat, we should try in schmuck chair.
Chris, why have beef with Sam, Cass? You kingpin of the horsey, and why Kieran, your cousin, bash you, 'cause...
Davy, Donda do not go into. Mach's pool you will drown, like monkey. Don't let Mach become Arthur Mitchell, or he will sit on you and say Mach Webb. Webb, he... Ooh, Anthony. Boffa. Put it in. Davy.
Daniel, don't be too proud of driver's license. The ability to drive is insignificant to power of force.
Samuel Santucci! Daniel Sutton! You should have a twerk off to crown the zestiest of all!
Hello, okay, we play COD Multiplier on Saturday, and on Sunday we do zombies because people work Monday.
We won't go out Sunday because people have to work Monday. You're actually dog, no drink. Games.
Hello, Sammy? Can you come to drink games? At Daniel? No Sunday that same only boy.
Part 4, the spit roast of Daniel. Daniel went to Higgins' house and Chewy and JC spit roasted Neil.
I have to change pants. Sorry, Kieran, I have had an accident. I saw the Endgame poster and I released tension.
Goodbye, Heath James Whitehill, who is now teacher. When go to Melbourne, do not get run over by car, otherwise Davy upset. Yeah.
Hello, Tom Davy. When you get in convo and stuck in mud, please yell out for G-Man, he will help you.
Alawick, Bomb Higgins. Are you going on Love Island? Is your type, bum? Come dance with me.
Hello, Halen. I hope you get well soon after death. The bus is unfortunate. Oh dear. Halen.
Daniel Sutton. Why you no want to impregnate 10% population or put them on Mars? Why fuck geese instead? Am I not petite for you? Anyway, March and Higgins, why post so many AI? It is not reasonable. Okay, now I will be scared of thunder in Warhammer, it's scare.
Jack Davy, wanna go out for some drinks? Baloney. Spit on that thing.
Jack Davy, I need to fucking go to bed soon. No zombies crazy.
Samuel, please do not dinner at not normal time, like 5 p.m. It is not normal. Hello, I will now cook at 10 p.m., the reasonable normal time. Orang Paul Kukaki Watinaye, and J Bantukan and Ro.
Wait, Zito, are you hearing this shit, nigga?
Davy, my fool, can you please direct me to the paint aisle and then where I can find wood at, lowest prices are just the beginning, Davy.
Wait, Zito, are you hearing this? There was a firework-a-tion attentio Jewish mafia.
Oh, okay. This card says, drink if you drive a truck. Yep, okay, that's me, the Pernini I will drink. I drive truck and carry condiments.
Hello, Moch. Why you send AI of naked hairy man to Daniel? It's inappropriate. Please help Daniel now.
Hello, Mach, Craig here. Please don't order more than 18 shots, please. You already won the alcohol aware.
Alawick Bomb Antonio, don't be rude to the fatness mentors. I won't be happy. Don't cross your arms, bub.
Samuel Bialek, if fail exams there will be. Consequence from Principal Elena and pre-order sister.
Hello, Samuel Santucci. Can you please stop stroking it under the covers? Kathy needs to clean up.
Jack Davy, I want you to go down and blow Kieran. Now, deep and train. Okay, gorgeous. Where is your ball? Anakin.
Hello, Daniel Sutton. Can you open your cheeks cleanly? Foreshadow the hedgehog now.
Daniel Sutton, you will be angry that someone wrote. Donda one. Street and not say you were wrong.
I don't want to play the fucking stupid car game, by the way. Hello, my Pookie Sutton.
But, hello, Zachary. Can you please get rid of your dodo MMWM? Bros Aussie broadband is so show shit. It updated blocks 6, but 2 gigashits per second. Time for bed.
Much, it's not cool, man. Not cool what you said anyway, Maya. I'll play any game mode you play.
Mach, why you want to have back shots from Samuel? He is shy boy. So don't come on to strong. Now die.
Hero, Mach, na chi de hin hai chin fan chin pai pai. Na chi de hin ho keen fan chin pai pai.
Guys, remember when we were all kids and played the blob? It was good and fun, Mach, tee-hee, my giggle poo.
Talk, Daniel, get on the fucking Roblox before I make you all fucking breathe like that filthy ape.
Giuseppe, why were you at Parafield? Was it because it was Aussie girl? Why she no ethnic?
Samuel, you are a little naughty boy. Paolo, can you lick me? I mean, your plate. Nigga. Daniel, my boy.
Would you, Dave, turned your fat-ass weird bloke? Ha ha ha, continue not acknowledge me.
What the fuck? The class munchies have to have girlfriend, eat, have sex, and Davy employment. What next?
Hello, funny clone. Oh, you make me big. Gee, Seppi, please don't look sad, eh? Much bum. Do you like what? See?
Not cool, man. Is it teacher, or is it you, Nicholas, who keep using peripherals Mach to a spit on Rofe?
Jack Biaklek, please, riz up your face in the car. Oh, no, do not shit in front of Danielle House while hidden. Ooh, ooh, carnival sing now.
Danielle and... Samuel, sit there and be educated by Jiz EP and Jack Davy so you can learn to finger mechanically. Now, little one-vote chick G and all will be good.
Jack Davy, you are no longer principal. You were relief teacher, and Giuseppe is now principal.
Hello, Jack Davy. I mean Jeff. Vader. Kieran. Challenges you to organize boys' trip. No alpha turkey.
Hello, Much. Why did you do Big Poo in Toilet Year 3? It was big and smelly, my informant Davy told me.
Where is Chewie? Where is the Anakin? Daniel! It's spit roast time. My boy go under the bed.
Superintendent of Fortnite. You must take red poo or blue poo. This tell us if playing scored or no.
Giuseppe, you can't be caught lacking staring at the yacht. You are a strange specimen, ma dude.
Jack Davy, you are demoted. Old one who helps since, no longer, having risens. You must be retrained by Principal Joe. Seppi. Who knows how to finger, also likes syncydermine. Relating to his girlfriend. He is the one who could be principal of multiple schools, potentially creating newing students.
Okay, so Saturday night we'll go from 3 to 11 p.m. boys and girls. Then Sunday night just the boys 3 to 9.
Jack? Davy? Why did you glitched the Snapchat? Oh, poor little Liv can't play the Snapchat with Davy.
Higgins, if that bitch goes up to you, I will crawl under the legs. Higgins. Oh no, I am stuck in the mud.
Is it matched? Is it batch or is it matcher? No, I think it is starch. No, it's actually matcher.
When I left you, Giuseppe, I was but the learner. Now I am the master. I am Darth. Daniel of Finger.
Davy, why are you old one who visits you should come out of retirement since Heath is now teacher?
G-Man, get out of the schmuck chair. Giuseppe is trying to give a lesson. You too much rowdy.
Tom Davy, you have been a very naughty boy. Don't saw Jack's ears off, please. I love you.
Hello, on Saturday we can not watch Dexter. Hello, on Sunday it's the same, except we watch Dexter with the boys. On Monday we work.
Heath, White Hill, you are fucking cooked. Please help Giuseppe learn. Finger, now!
Giuseppe, stop stare at Mach Guyat. I know it controlled by robot and move side by side, but cool it.
Richard Hubert, if stuck in the mud shows task Mach will crawl under your legs.
Daniel Sutton, I promise I won't rage at Rage Cage. Jacked by Alec, don't knock over my cups. Fucking hell, that's bullshit. Goodbye, time to look at Guyat.
Hello, Mach. I have an idea for our team name. It should be called Zach.
Hello, Mach 34. Don't ritzy up the huzz in Roblox. Don't be an online e-dater and don't get eliminated nutsy. I want your smoked sausage. Otherwise, GDON will call you, and fat version of Zachary will call you dumbass. Hello, Mach 34. Don't ritzy up the huzz in Roblox. Don't be an online e-dater and don't get eliminated nutsy. I want your smoked sausage. Otherwise, GDON will call you, and fat version of Zachary will call you dumbass.
Fuck yes, Daniel Sutton! I love you, my nigger! Good job on the victory royale!
Anthony, Boffa, do not. Going into music room. Toilets with blonde blub Hamish. Oh no. Also, no soggy. Bicky with Shamoose.
Hello, Kieran. Please do not teach Giuseppe how to finger. It is not your job. Davy is the principal, and you are not the teacher. Allah Akbar.
So yes, Daniel Sutton may have been driving with no license, but let me tell you, he doesn't need one. He's the best driver I have ever seen. That man should really drive in the Formula One with my fellow Zachary Higgins, the greatest redhead of our generation.
Hey, Jack Davy, when will you be hosting the next drinking games? Higgins and I are all stocked up on Jack Daniels and Coke, and we really want to put it to use. I'm hoping we can play some Drinkopoly and get naked again. Fun times, haha, yeah, 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 you, where, you,
Hello, Jack Davy. So, listen. Yeah, long story short, my bro, Dave, I will let you know if I can make the dinner. My informant, Michael Gerace, is reading the begging of Danielle at Parafield.
Astaghfirullah, Kirans. No cry to music about me. Okay. Attention, attention. Tom, no more. Present now. Okay. Now present later for wife class.
Danielle, why no stay for hottest 100 Ethiopian Essen was bigly huge. It was even rad, some would sigh, but Daniel, why say you were going to the gem? That was a big fat lie. They should call you lying. Daniel, king of sexual harassment. Anywhere you played Phasmophobia with the woman.
Okie dokie. Mitchell James Weber, as president, you are not allowed to get negative KD on Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Also, laws on internet speeds have changed. So Higgins no shit 1 megabit per second type shit. Are men...
Okay. Fuck, marry, kills, brick, wood or stone. Ha ha ha, here come the laughs. Because there's a new mythic Zen skin. Hello, Boffa. Do not going into Mitch Wallace toilets with Rapture or crackhead Corey Cousin. He will make drink, tequila, beer pong. Okay, Samuel Dont. Fall asleep while Michael says, Elysia, bad.
Ima stupido ethnic man play off the Heathok in Rockstill Layog. The plan is March, you blow up the players. Higgins go up now. He is carry Davy, please get bumped into. And Kieran defend the girls. Okay. Now Samuel, Defan and Boffa, you keep yapping. I'll whole boys assemble and Mason will be new member next one.